My name is Jasleen Powar, a.k.a. Horsepowar. I'm a rapper and comedian from Vancouver, but most importantly, I love curry.
Oh my God.
Now I'm living in New York City and realizing just how little I know. From Japan to Jamaica to the Philippines, every culture has its own take on a dish I grew up eating with my Punjabi family.
Get ready, this is gonna be good.
Are you ready for the big reveal?
I was born hungry.
All aboard, the Bicol Express is coming from India. And it's got shrimp in it.
Indian cooking is like jazz. It's a little bit of this, it's a little bit of that.
But when it's all put on one plate, man, it works all together.
It's a big manti.
Big manti.
I'm nervous. I'm scared.
Now, I'm a little nervous about the ghost pepper. Here we go, here we go.
Whatever you want to call curry, we know it's awesome because it's a fusion of different spices and stories and love.
The food is always there. The love is always there through the food. Food is love.
Cheers if you got chicken. Cheers.
I'm on a mission and I'm meeting up with some friends to help me explore one of the world's most misunderstood meals. We're here, we're hungry, and we're eating our way through the 5 boroughs. Welcome to the Curry Shop.
You're paying for dinner, right?
No, you're paying
No, I think
for
you're
dinner.
paying for dinner. I believe you got this.
I thought I was having dinner with you.